Hello guys, it's me, Nikki. What's up? All right, today's video is gonna be a bit of a different one because I ran into some special products online. I am talking about this little baggie right here, and this contains unisex makeup products. Unisex. Unisex, designed to be suitable for both sexes. And when I was doing some online shopping and saw this, it kind of sparked interest in me because I was like, well, if you look at it, all makeup is unisex because makeup is makeup. It doesn't have a label. It's not supposed to be for women only. It's not supposed to be for men only. Makeup is for literally everybody. So today, I wanna give this line a go. I ordered every single product of the line, and I'm talking about the Givenchy Mr. Collection, the Givenchy, oui, I want some food in my belly. And I'm just really interested to see what the fuss is all about. So without any further ado, today I am putting the Givenchy Mr. Unisex Collection to the test. Alrighty, so before I do anything, I quickly want to hop over to my Instagram and ask you guys where you stand in this matter, what you think this truly means, and if the word unisex in makeup has any meaning. So I'm just gonna put that out on my Instagram real fast. So as I'm trying the products, your opinions will drop in, and then at the end, we will see what you guys think. Alrighty, so without any further ado, let's dive in. So when I look in my little bag, I have a Healthy Glow Gel. Interesting. Mr. Brow Filler, a waterproof brow filler in blonde. Stick mattifier, instant light corrective pen, the Mr. Brow Groom, a universal brow setter. So when you look at the products, they're all very base orientated. So it's not about eyeshadow, it's not about lipstick, it is all about perfecting the base. Anyways, my opinions will come later. Let's try the products. Right off the bat, I'm looking at these two products right here, the Healthy Glow Gel and the Mattifying Stick. I think I should be starting off with the Healthy Glow Gel. All right, so this is what the packaging looks like. Let me open her up. Okay, squeezing. Oh, okay, so it's a clear gel with little balls in it. One thing I'm definitely noticing is that the scent is very unisex. It has that sort of mysterious, sexy male scent, but it's also very sexy female. Okay, so what happens if I start? Oh my God, what? Oh. What in the heavens of makeup? What is going on? That looks like diluted poop. What? How? Givenchy! Well, all right. I'm just gonna take the tiniest of amounts, like the tiniest, and let's see where this, oh, I'm really about to put this on my face, aren't I? I'm just gonna tap, I guess. Just gonna sort of rub-a-dub that in. That does nothing, to be exact. So when you do a little bit, you don't see it. So that's great. Okay, that is goodbye. We don't need her. Next up, we have two pens. One of them being the Mr. Light Instant Light Corrective Pen, and I also have the Instant Corrective Pen. What? So I have a Mr. Light and I have a Mr. I'm gonna go in with the corrector first. Oh, this always takes a century for me. This, oh, that looks promising. A little warm on me, maybe. She feels creamy. Let's just use this to sort of clean up my face. Okay, so right under the eye. Dark circles be gone. I'm just gonna tap that into the skin and okay, that definitely has a soft coverage. I feel like it's enough to sort of have a no makeup feel. It kind of simmered down the darkness underneath my eyes, not too much, but like kind of. But hey, this is a unisex product, so you kind of expect it to not have crazy coverage because, you know, oh my God, what if the straight men are going to be applying this and have more than a feather of coverage on their face? Oh my goodness, could you imagine? Okay, you know what? I don't hate that. On my day-to-day life, all I do is curl my lashes, put some brow gel on, and apply highlighter. This would be an easy and fast step to add into that mix to just kind of give the face a little bit more rest and to kind of give it a little bit of a more even feel. I don't mind this. Is it the most covering corrector? Absolutely not. It has more coverage than Touche Éclat by YSL. But yeah, moving on to the Mr. Light Instant Light Corrective Pen. Oh God, here we go again. Oh. So that is literally the same product with a different name, and it's just a bit more peachy. This is truly meant as a corrector. So this is a lot more orange and peachy to, I guess, cover up 5 o'clock shadow, darkness underneath the eye. My guess is you would apply this first, then the concealer over top of it. So let me just add this into my under eye mix a bit to get rid of it. That looks good, okay. That's nice. Oh, I like that. Okay. Oh, okay. I don't mind this. That gives you such a natural sort of like, I'm awake feel. You get a pass for now. Sitting right there, not on the floor. All right, next up, there's not a lot left. I have brow grooming stuff. So first of all, I have a brow filler. It straight up is, you know, a brush with color, revolutionary. Now, of course, like I said, they also have a clear one. And I'm really interested in this because if this has a good strong hold, baby, I love to brush up my brow hairs to get them up to heaven and to give them that feel. So if this has a strong hold, I am hooked. First, I need a little bit of color in them brows. So let's use this. Let's see, okay. I mean, yeah. I mean, what more can you like expect from a tinted brow gel? So there's really not a lot more to it. It added a tint. It's a little bit sloppy. See how it kind of like smoosh-wooshed right there? But it added a color. Am I impressed? Not really. It doesn't really have any like, I love the brow gels that have like fibers to them, because it kind of fills in the blank spots. It makes it look like you have more hair. This doesn't have that. In my opinion, she's kind of irrelevant. Now, the true test, honey, the clear one. If you've got strong staying power, you're staying in this household. I mean, also kind of like, whatever. Is it like the strongest hold one? Absolutely not, because when I go in with my spoolie, I can still move all of those hairs in every direction that I want. So, no. The final product I have here is the mattifying stick. And this is what he looks like. It feels like silicone. It feels like a pore filling mattifying primer. Okay, let's see. I'm shiny here. Let's see. Oh, it does take away the shine, baby. Kind of feels like Benefit Professional, where it feels like slidey. So that's good if you're like having a natural day and you kind of want to pinpoint where you want to be matte with this, or take it with you on the go. That's cute. That's. Now, weirdly, oddly enough, there is no highlighter in this launch, and I did expect a little bit of a highlighter. They kind of wanted to give us that with the Healthy Glow Gel, but that she's canceled forever. And it's not, you know, I kind of expected a soft toned down highlighter to kind of give that radiant natural boost. That is what my face looks like after playing with the Givenchy Mr. Collection. What do we think? I know there's not a whole lot of change, but what do we think? Out of everything that I just tried out, I feel like the only products I will come back to are the corrector pens. I like what they did to my under eyes. It doesn't need any powder. I like how it kind of made my under eyes softer. All of the other products, however, no. I'm about to dive into your opinions in a little bit, but here's where I stand. I feel like this is just marketing. This was a way for Givenchy to be like, hey, oh my God, look, we're so different. We're making makeup for both females and males, whereas, you know, makeup is already for every gender out there. Out of everything in this planet, I feel like the one thing that didn't need a label, even though I hate labels already, but the one thing that really didn't need a label was makeup. It doesn't matter if you apply concealer to a woman's face or a man's face. It's concealer. Makeup already was unisex. Makeup already was for everybody out there. Now, I also always try to look at things in a different light. And when I try to make it more positive for me, I feel like this could help sort of ending the stigma surrounding makeup for men. There are so many men out there who conceal their dark circles, who conceal their pimples, who conceal their hickeys. There are so many men out there that already do that. So I feel like this is a nice gesture of Givenchy to be like, hey, makeup is for men too. But it already was for men. You know, they were already using concealer. They were already using products that didn't have the label unisex on it. So that is kind of where I stand. I mean, I get it. It's marketing. It is PR. Time to move on to Instagram to see what you guys have to say. Cordy Buns said, I think this is kind of a gimmick. Isn't all makeup unisex? Thank you. I think the name is promotion, but the idea is great. Not to use girly stereotypes only for packaging. See, I get that. For the packaging, it's a little bit more manly, it's a little bit more general, it's not as pink and shiny and oh my God, and it's a matte and it's a black. So I do agree with that. It makes it less girly. Kira says it's just to make more money, and I think that is where the core of this collection is. Givenchy didn't really think about the people, they thought about money. I feel like we have got that covered today in this video, and that is where I stand in this matter. So definitely sound off in the comments down below what you think. Is this PR? And if you do believe in this, please tell us why, because I'm super interested to see someone on the other side of the spectrum and see what they have to say. I would also love if you're a man watching this, if you just happened to scroll upon this video and you've made it to the end, let me know what you think of this. Does it end the stigma for you to wear more makeup, or were you already like there was no label ever? So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly appreciate it. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. I want to thank you so much for watching. I love you, and hopefully I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.